Hi Lilla Rose fans. I just wanted to come on here and do a quick tutorial of something different I tried today, and I'm going to try and do a reverse kind of tutorial. We'll see if it still looks like this when I do the rest of the tutorial. But I used a headband, or actually I created a headband out of a scarf. And so I'm just going to walk you through how to do that, and then I accented it with a Lilla Rose clip. So I'm going to kind of go backwards and show you how it all started. So I'm just going to take the hairband off. And I'm going to untie it from the beginning. All right, so this style really started last night when I got out of the shower, and I put my hair up in a bun, okay? And so I had it wrapped in a high bun last night. It was damp to wet. And then I used our swerve, which are curved to go along with the shape of your head. These things are amazingly comfortable. So I just caught the edge of the bun, went down, and grabbed hair from the other side. Stayed like that for the rest of the evening, went to sleep, even got up, did a few chores around the house before I tried this other tutorial. So then I was trying to figure out what I was going to wear, and I came across this scarf, and I'm like, well, that's cute, but I was already wearing this, which was a birthday gift from my kids, so I was going to change that. But I thought, I bet I can do this scarf. I had seen some other people do something similar. So you come up here, and I wanted the twist to be on the side. So I crisscross it there, and then I spin that, hold that, okay. And then I'm gonna tie that so you get it where you want to see it. My hair is still up in the bun at this point. Okay, and then I'm gonna tie that off in the back. Okay, and then I'm gonna let that hang down. Now some of that tail may show, so if you don't mind that. Now, my curve, or my little knot there that I created, is there. I'm just on one of the bands. And you can put it on the whole thing, and maybe I will this time. I just did it on one of the lengths last time. Yeah, I think I'm still going to do that, because I pull a little bit forward, okay, just to soften so it's not quite so harsh. And I'm getting my hair trimmed tomorrow, so I was afraid to trim anymore. Or not tomorrow, next week. So pull some down, and then you can either do it on part of the band like I did there, or the whole band. So I think I'm just going to do it on the part, okay? And then you can spread that scarf to make it fit the flexi. Can't tell exactly on that, but you want to spread that scarf band out so it doesn't show the hair underneath. So that's there. And then I just took my hair out this morning, brought that down, and then it was a little bit on the frizzy side, so I took my Lilla Rose rose water, which is amazing for just taming that frizz, and just kind of brought it through, gathering the ends together. It just kind of made that hair kind of get together, and then you have a cute little hairband, and you can have the tail show, or you can tuck it up into the band. If you don't want that to show, you can just roll it and tuck it so that it won't show. But I thought that was fun. I just tried that this morning, and I started with a long, narrow scarf. So it was, you know, a typical scarf, but it wasn't one of the large square ones. So the long rectangular ones are better for this, but I don't even mind the tail kind of hanging out the back like that. So just something different. And if you want to give it a try, it's just another way to wear your Lilla Rose. So have a great day. Bye-bye.